Hi, this is David with the Enzo Trading System, and this is a quick update on the issue of diversification, something that we've been looking into for a while, and I think it's notoriously difficult to have in the crypto markets because most markets tend to follow Bitcoin. And here I have a screenshot of an overview of our signals. This was yesterday. And as we can see, Bitcoin was kind of looking to break below 60K, and as usual, most markets were following, dropping as well, and even harder. So previously we were supporting markets such as BNB, Ethereum, Cardano, and Ripple. And as we can see here, in this case, they were actually following Bitcoin as it often happens. So what we have right now, instead, that we had for, I don't know, a couple of weeks, month, it's signals for up to 20 markets. So now I'm showing 40 because this is a test environment, but what we produce is actually signal for 20 markets, but looking into having 40 and beyond. And in this case, what's interesting is that while almost everything was dumping, EGLD was actually thriving, Phantom as well, and Solana, and even Shiba. So yeah, that's really what we've been aiming to have enough markets to be able, as much as possible, to be on the profitable side of things, while almost everything else follows Bitcoin, which is a very frustrating thing to see. So yeah, only a couple of words about this. First, EGLD is not supported on Bybit. So if you were on Bybit, you didn't get this. But this is only one market. It's not going to be the next Bitcoin. Honestly, I don't even know what this is. But it's just an example in this case. And the Phantom is also on Bybit, so it's fine. And the Solana as well. Another note is that I have to remind that, of course, the assets, the fund, in any given fund needs to be divided across multiple markets. And in this case, I think Solana didn't get a very big chunk of the fund because the automatic sizing decided that Solana wasn't doing as well as other markets, so it didn't get a big chunk of it. So even though it was 10%, it's a 10% of whatever the portfolio management, the automated portfolio management decided he would get. But conversely, on Phantom, I think he had a good portion of the funds, so that's good, and EGLD as well. So that's all part of the game. You have diversification. Some of the markets do well, and some of the algorithms will do well on some of the markets, and then some of the positions, they're bigger and smaller, depending on the position sizing. And the merging of all those variables, all those subsystems, it's what ideally brings to a profit, and not just profit, but kind of a smooth profit. Of course, the ideal goal is that to have a kind of a constant profit, one that is as linear as possible. But and that's what we're striving for. Diversifying on crypto, I mean, it's got a lot better now that we have more markets. It may never be as good as one wishes, but we're definitely in a much better position now. I'm pretty happy about this. So this was a screenshot from yesterday, just to highlight the fact that, yeah, most of them were dumping. If I have an up, I think I have an up, yeah, recent version now, and things are actually quite better. Well, I mean, Bitcoin bounced, and we don't have a position on it, but okay, fine. We're on EGLD 20%, and Phantom 15%, and Solana 25%. And I have to remind that, of course, this unrealized profit. So you see 25 year, it's quite possible we'll end hopefully maybe 10%. Who knows? Because yeah, I mean, our models, we decided that I mean, what it came through the development and testing, it's that it's better to be really patient with the market and wait for the market to really drop, and instead of trying to sell at the tops. Yeah, this is kind of a whole separate argument, but yeah. So yeah, for example, this is Solana right now, looking quite good. We'll see when it'll close. But yeah, previously we also had a decent position, almost 10%. And yeah, I mentioned this algorithm. This one is really does relatively few positions, and sometimes it will try quite hard to open the right one, and once it kicks in, it will ride it all the way, 27% or 25%. Of course, yeah, this is in the past September. Yeah, so yeah, that's it for me. I think we're quite happy with what we're seeing right now, and the future should only be brighter. See you.